Happy Vlogmas Day 22. Yeah, look at that bedhead. You like that? I'm pretty sure I sound worse than I did yesterday, and I feel worse, even though I'm on Dayquil. I have a lot to do today, so this is not good. I have so much snot in my throat, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Time to make potatoes and ham in the crock pot. And there you have it. Dinner will be ready in 6 hours. Hi guys. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm a zombie. It's a bit ridiculous. But I just stopped at the post office and dropped off some packages there. And now I'm on my way to the spa. I'm gonna get my lashes done. That way they're nice before Christmas. Supposed to blow out my boss's hair, but she decided she wasn't gonna get that done today, which meant I could take a nap before going here, which was really nice. I put contacts in since I have to get my passport photo taken and after my lashes. So yeah, I'm wearing like an oversized sweater. It's literally, it goes to like my knees. It's pretty comfortable and it's really warm, which is nice because I am super cold right now. But hopefully my lashes don't run over because I have to get there at 2 and then it takes an hour and then I have to be at the library by 3, but it's right next door, so I'm hoping timing wise I won't be like super late. And I'm also hoping that I have all I need for my passport. Like I have my birth certificate, I had to check, and I have all the paperwork filled out, so hopefully that's easy as well. Alright, lashes are done. I don't know if you can tell, but they're done back in the way that I like them, the oval shape, which is good. I sound like a man, which is also okay. Passport is done as well, although I feel so like foggy and weird that like I wrote the wrong amount on the check, so I had to like squeeze in when it was actually supposed to be. The woman was not entirely too nice. She was kind of annoying, but whatever, it's done. I can go home and be a blob. Hi guys, so I'm going to end my vlog here because I am ridiculously tired and I sound like a man. I pretty much just have been sleeping, watching TV the entire night. Whoa, my lashes look awesome! Anyway, the boyfriend stopped
by for like an hour. He brought me Wendy's and we watched like a little bit of TV for like 45 minutes, which was super nice. And then he still feels like crap, so he went home, and I think he's gonna play Call of Duty and go to sleep. And I'm just gonna shower really quick and go to bed because I'm old. That's attractive, right? I look really, really attractive. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my sick, gross vlog today. If you enjoy vlogs, don't forget to give this video a giant thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!